Hi kids! Welcome back to Silly School with Teacher Greg. I'm so happy that you're here. We're gonna have so much fun today learning some more Spanish. Yeah! Today we're gonna learn how to count in Spanish. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3 in Spanish. Yeah! Can you help me count in Spanish? Let's learn how to say number 1, okay? Can you say uno? Good. Uno is number 1 in Spanish. Go ahead, say it with me. Say uno. Good job. Yeah. Can you show me one finger? Show me one finger. Yeah. This is the number uno. Say it with me. Say uno. Awesome job. Yeah. Next, we have the number 2. Can you show me 2 fingers? Yeah. To say 2 in Spanish, you would say dos. Can you say dos? Yeah. Dos, 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 dos. Good job. Dos is number 2 in Spanish. Next, we have the number 3 in Spanish. Can you show me 3 fingers? Yeah! Good. The number 3 in Spanish is tres. Can you say tres? Yeah! Trace, 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 trace. Good job. Trace is number 3 in Spanish. So let's say all 3 numbers. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Say it again with me. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Awesome job. High five. Here we are at my swing. Oh, this is such a fun swing. Before I go for my ride, I need you to help me count to 3 in Spanish. Can you help me count to 3? Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Here we go. Yay! Whee! Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you so much for joining me again today for Silly School with Teacher Greg. We learned so much about the 3 numbers in Spanish. Uno, dos, tres. You did amazing. Thanks so much for joining. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye, kids. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching my video. Want more Silly School with Teacher Greg videos? Add me on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All that information is in the description. I can't wait to see you for more videos. Want to take a live online class with me, Teacher Greg? Come check out my Outschool classroom. I have a whole lot of live online classes I would love for you to take with me. That information will also be in the description. But until then, bye!